Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of learning cryptocurrencies. So, this session is going to revolve around establishing a wallet. One of my favorite wallets is Exodus. It's very simple to use, very simple to understand, very simple to install. And a lot of my friends have asked, can you show me how to do this? So I decided to create this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and launch a browser. And in this case, I'm going to start Google. And we're going to just go ahead and Google Exodus Wallet. Um, and that will bring us to the Exodus main page. When the page builds, you'll see this is your starting point. I always recommend going to the source to download the binaries for a application. And in this case, we are right here at Exodus main page. You can go ahead and explore it yourself. You can understand, how they designed the wallet, and also support. The support is actually kind of cool because it shows you the roadmap, and you can get there by just clicking roadmap, and you can see which coins are currently supported by the Exodus wallet and when they started support. In addition, you can see where they're driving to as far as their roadmap, what they're going to be adding as far as features. So there is an advantage to using a wallet that has multiple coins. So first of all, we're just going to go ahead and start the installation process. I'm just going to go to download, and here I'm presented with the different type of binaries I want to install. So for the majority of us, we're going to be downloading the Windows 64-bit, but if you're on a Macintosh or Linux, here's a link to the download binaries. So we're going to click on the Windows 64-bit, and you'll see that it starts to download within my Chrome browser, and it'll just take a second. And once it downloads, we're going to go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to go ahead and double click on the executable. You could also right click and show in folder. Again, if you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox, all you have to do is find the location of where your downloads were stored. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it. It's going to start the installation process, and we're going to just follow the wizard. This is extremely easy, and you should have your wallet up and running within less than 5 minutes. You can see the splash screen for the installing the Exodus. And one of the reasons I waited till today to do this video is Exodus just recently did another release. So this is going to be my first chance at seeing the new Exodus wallet. Now, a few caveats with Exodus. Make sure once you fund it that you establish a password, and make sure that you write down your seed key. During this presentation, I'm going to pause this, actually send myself some Ethereum, and we're going to actually see the process of setting up a password and using a seed key. Okay, so I got a notification that Exodus was installed. So I can go back to my desktop, double click on Exodus, which is that icon. We're starting. And we can see the Exodus main page. So this main page shows all the different types of coins you can currently have on this wallet. And we saw that before on the roadmap. What I want to do is go click on Wallet. And from Wallet, I want to select Ethereum. Now I want to select the Receive button right here. Now, this is really important. This is your receive address for Ethereum. So either you can send this to yourself, or a friend can send you coins to this address. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video at this time,